How to fix volume button not working while using WhatsApp on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the app WhatsApp. Once you find it, open it. You'll see the option of microphone, toggle off for it. Now wait for a few seconds and again enable it. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your app store. Now search for WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your WhatsApp to its latest version. Updating the app might also fix your problem. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your settings app. Scroll down, open the option General. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. Find the app WhatsApp. After you find it, open it. You'll see the option of Offload app. Click on it. Click on Offload app. After you offload the app, reinstall it. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix volume button not working while using WhatsApp on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.